I wish you a wonderful day and welcome you to my channel, which is dedicated to massage, various release techniques, and everything related to them. Before every lymphatic drainage treatment, it's important to release the main lymphatic pathways. A video demonstrating this technique is already available on this channel. Manual lymphatic drainage is, and will likely continue to be, one of the most sought-after techniques. The proper function of the lymphatic system has a fundamental impact on our health. This time, we will focus on lymphatic drainage of the legs. Other parts of the body will be covered in upcoming videos. Lymphatic drainage is performed without the use of oil, using light pressure to treat the subcutaneous tissue. For this session, we leave the muscles to other techniques. The pace of lymphatic drainage is such that 1 stroke equals 1 second. The total treatment time for the legs is 60 minutes. After opening the main lymphatic pathways in the neck, we continue by working on the legs, regularly also opening the lymph nodes in the groin and behind the knees. Lymphatic drainage can help, for example, with the treatment of swelling, detoxification of the body, boosting the immune system, overall regeneration, venous insufficiency, limb fatigue, headaches and migraines, chronic fatigue syndrome, and improving the structure of the subcutaneous tissue. Let's talk about contraindications. Lymphatic drainage is not suitable in the following cases: bacterial and viral infections, cancer, open wounds and purulent conditions, heart failure, where a physician should make the decision, fever, high-risk pregnancy, the first trimester of pregnancy, and the postpartum period, erysipelas, fungal skin infections, hyperthyroidism, glaucoma, and clients under the influence of alcohol. During manual lymphatic drainage, very gentle pressure is used. The technique targets the superficial lymphatic system and does not reach the muscle layer. Correct pressure is indicated by a slight skin fold forming under the fingers. If you enjoy these videos and find them helpful, please consider leaving a like and subscribing. I have many interesting topics planned for you, so you won't miss any of them. Thank you. So you don't miss any future videos, subscribe to the channel and leave a like.